everyone, Liz Holter House, OBX for sale here with another product I love to use in my Airbnb. So when I go to hotels and stuff and you're traveling, I love it when they have the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in dispensers like this. They're easier to use in those little teeny bottles. It's less waste, it's less plastic trash. And so as soon as we got the Airbnb up and running, this is one of the first items that I purchased. And this one is Aviva, A-V-I-V-A. It's real easy to open. You just pop the top off and then fill it up. And then press to dispense. It's even got little tabs here to hang washcloths and stuff on. It's super neat. It does not drip. It does not make a mess. I've been in Airbnbs before where they leave shampoo bottles and that's always a mess. They never get cleaned and I just don't like it. It's kind of icky to me. So this is here for whoever needs it. Lots of people do use it, and we've got one in the outdoor shower as well. I think it might be a different brand because during COVID I couldn't get the second brand, this same brand. So I'll do a review on that one as well, but absolutely love it.